Oh, hello there, Springtrap. Hi, Golden Freddy. What's up? I have something to show you. Oh, really? What is it? It's a YouTooz version of Candy the Cat. Oh, okay. Let me see. Wow. That is so cool. Yeah, I know. I wonder where do they get with that kind of idea? Must be the characters that we remember, like Candy the Cat from Five Nights at Candy's. Yep, it's definitely true. Very true. Yup, it is. So anyways, guys, what do you think this picture of YouTooz figure version of Candy the Cat? Let us know what do you think in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos that will help us, and we'll see you next time, and bye for now.